Market Cafe on ET now. Now let's get you some more stories. Adani Group was in focus yesterday. Adani Group stocks came under severe pressure yesterday after the indictment by the US Department of Justice accused the group of bribing Indian government officials for energy supply contracts. Adani Green has withdrawn its proposed dollar bond issue of $600 million also. The group has clarified that they are compliant with all the laws and will take all legal recourse available, calling the bribery charges baseless. Ministry of Renewables Energy sources tell us that they have not received any documents from the US DOJ. Prakash Priyadarji joins in with more details on this. Prakash?
Yes, we are learning from our sources in the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy that they can't comment on the media reports. In fact, they have not received any documents related to this matter. However, sources are saying that there is a robust system in place for contracts. In fact, the government agencies are following a very transparent mechanism, but they can't comment on this report at this point of time. Along with that, we also approached a SECI on this matter, and the SECI officials are saying that whatever information they have received from media reports, and they can't say anything about the authenticity of the order. In fact, they have not received any document about the charges. SECI officials are also saying that as per the media reports, there is no involvement of SECI officials. It seems that there is some involvement of government officials and the companies, but SECI is completely denying any involvement of its officials as per the media reports. But let's see how it pans out. But at this point of time, there is no official statement from the government on this matter.
All right, thanks Prakash for getting us that exclusive update. Then moving on, then let's also get to the word coming in from H.P. Ranina, who's a lawyer at the Supreme Court, who also brings his interpretation of the case on the table and its implications. Then let's go across and listen into what exactly he then had to say.
Obviously, it's a very serious matter because it involves criminal charges. And in criminal court, things take a different view and they take a very strict view. So it's all a question of fact. If Adanis can prove that these charges are false or that they are not correct, if they can bring some evidence, that's a different matter. But having already been indicted, there seems to be a very difficult situation because this is a criminal charge and that's based on facts, not really much of law. It's a question of bribery. It's a question of what is the amount of bribery, whom it was paid. Once that is established, then the court will just pass the order.
Okay, so that's Mr. H.C. Renan's call on that, but let's get you more reactions on it. In fact, now the political row has erupted after US SEC indicted Gautam Adani for bribery charges. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has also reiterated corruption charges against Adani and PM Modi also, leading to volley of attacks and counter-attacks. Let's listen in.
अदानी जी का अरेस्ट होना चाहिए, आज अरेस्ट होना चाहिए. प्रधानमंत्री जी 100% इस व्यक्ति की प्रोटेक्शन कर रहे हैं और इस व्यक्ति ने हिंदुस्तान के एसेट्स लिए हैं, भ्रष्टाचार करके एसेट्स लिए हैं. ये व्यक्ति बीजेपी को पूरा समर्थन करते हैं, पूरा सपोर्ट देते हैं. ये एस्टैब्लिश चीजें हैं. हम दोहराते जाएंगे. जेपीसी की मांग हमारी है, बट हम चाहते हैं कि अदानी जी को एकदम अरेस्ट किया जाए. और हम जानते हैं और हम देश को दिखाना चाहते हैं कि अदानी जी की अरेस्ट नहीं होगी. और इसलिए नहीं होगी क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री अदानी जी के पीछे खड़े हुए हैं और उनके प्रोटेक्टर हैं.
राहुल जी कह रहे थे इंडिया हाईजैक हो गया है. गलत, टेंस गलत है. पास्ट टेंस में होना चाहिए था, फ्यूचर टेंस और प्रेजेंट टेंस में नहीं. इंडिया हाईजैक हो गया था. गांधी परिवार, ये नकली गांधी परिवार उसके हाईजैकर थे. कमांडो ने मुक्त कराया है हाईजैकिंग से. अब भारत का जो इकोनॉमिक जहाज है वह रनवे पे 2014 से रफ्तार से दौड़ करके अब 35,000 की फुट की ऊंचाई पर उड़ान भर रहा है. तीसरे नंबर की इकोनॉमिक शक्ति बनने जा रहा है. तो राहुल गांधी, इंडिया इज नॉट हाईजैक्ड, इंडिया वाज हाईजैक्ड. टुडे इंडिया इज सोरिंग हाई एज फार एज इकोनॉमी इज कंसर्न्ड.
All right, then there you go. That was Rahul Gandhi as well as Sambit Patra sharpening their knives and taking
Enviro Infra Limited now proposes an initial public offer of its equity shares. The 100% book built issue is being offered at a price band of rupees 140 to rupees 148 per equity share of face value of rupees 10 each. Issue opens on Friday, November 22nd, 2024. Issue closes on Tuesday, November 26th, 2024. For risk involved and other details, please refer to the Red Herring Prospectus, which is available on the website of the company, SEBI, stock exchanges and the BRLM, Hem Securities Limited.